Hey Max Impactors, I'm out of my favorite hot sauce, which is this Texas Pete hot sauce, and I have a lot of cayenne peppers left from the garden, so I'm going to make some homemade hot sauce. Let's go over the ingredients. First, we're going to use this stainless steel pot. Now, I don't have a whole lot of stainless steel pots, so this might be a little bigger than I need. But first, we're going to add 4 cups of vinegar. Then we have our cayenne peppers. I have cut off the tops of these. Be really careful when you're cutting these off. I wear gloves so that I won't get it on my hands. And then you're going to just have 40 of them in there. 20 cloves of garlic. They're garlic from my garden. I have a little bit more than 20 because my garlic cloves were kind of small. Then we have 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 bay leaves, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of paprika. Now we're going to bring the mixture to a boil. While it's coming to a boil, I'm going to stir it to mix in the salt and paprika. Now that I have it to a boil, I'm going to turn the heat down and simmer it for 20 to 30 minutes. Our hot sauce mixture is done simmering, and we put it here in the blender, and I took out the bay leaves, and now we're just going to blend it until it's smooth. Okay, I'm going to take our mixture and I'm going to pour it through this sieve here. The last step is to ladle this into jars. Now, once you ladle it into the jars, you can just put it in the refrigerator, but I am going to do a quick canning because I'll have so much. Well, I'm finishing up canning my hot sauce. You're going to use a regular hot bath method of canning for 5 minutes. Alright guys, well if you like this video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends, and comment below. Also, don't forget to miss more great stuff from my channel on my Instagram page, which is the same handle as this YouTube channel, T Rosanelli. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one.